All right, here's Bruno and Emmy battling it out. Emmy can't stand Bruno. He tortures her, and so she tortures him. And there's Juno, obsessively eating snow. Dutch! Dutch! Find out where Dutchie went. Come here, Dutch! Good boy, you come here, you stay here. There he is. So it's May 6th today, and you can see how much snow we have still. And Bruno is a digger, just like his mom. There's Dutch. Look at how big Bruno's gotten. He has to be 20 to 20, well, probably closer to 25 pounds, I'm guessing. We don't really know. We took him in for kennel cough, and because it's so contagious, we couldn't take him in the front way. So we didn't weigh him. But, oh, here they go again. She's just gonna ignore you, Bruno. Bruno had his lunch, and he's supposed to go poo so that I can put him back in his kennel. There's an icicle that fell off. What you doing? Huh? There's our fish pond that fills up with water this time of year, and then Mike gets a sump pump out and drains it. Look at them. Bruno's like, I just want to play, and Emmy's like, get away from me, you crazy thing. Bruno, you're not very smart. For being a smart dog, you're not very smart. And Juno just eats her snow. Can you see all the drips? Look at all the snow in the house. I bet you guys aren't enjoying this barking, so I guess I'll just let you guys go. Thanks for watching. Bye. This is why I don't have many videos up, because of this one. Yeah. All right, bye.